Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we left off on the previous video. We had to give this thing a severe prune, and then we removed all of the dead branches. That left us with something that looked like this, and this was at the beginning of spring a few months ago. Fast forward a few months, I think it was about 2 months or so, and we are here. We got a lot of new growth, long leggy growth, and I just wanted to cut it back a bit to create more ramification and just to have an overall good looking tree to look at. Fast forwarding this part for you because you all have seen me cutting a tree, so this just looks cool to see how the tree shape shifts. Anyways, I've been very busy with the bonsai book, the Spackboom bonsai book for beginners, and that is finally finished. I uploaded it to the website, so if you guys want to go check that out, remember all of the money goes towards the Spackboom thicket restoration. So I've been busy with that, but sorry, just wait, just have a look at this awesome tree, how it turned out after the sprint back. It just looks absolutely phenomenal. It's thick, but not that thick. It's just the right thickness, you got to get that correct thickness. Thick, but not too thick. And this thick is very, very good. The flaky bark on this thing, that is one of the things that I love about monkey thorns, is that flaky bark. I don't know what it is about it, but that flaky bark just does something, man. It just gives character. It gives the freaking cool look, man. So cool. I don't know why, but it's so cool to me. And then there's a close-up of the leaves. Pretty cool. And thorns aren't pretty cool. They are not cool. Anyways, one last look at this cool thing, and then on to the next one. Also had a lot of long growth here, and yeah, we need to prune this back as well and create something awesome with it. I want to ask you guys, what type of content would you like to see from me regarding the bonsai and the thicket restoration and all that stuff? Because every time I do something or want to do something, I just feel like they don't want to watch that. You always get that feeling, I want to produce quality content, but I don't know what to produce if I don't know what my viewers would like. So it would be awesome to me. Just have a look at that flaky bark. Man, that's super cool. It would be awesome to me if you guys just leave a comment down below and say what you want to see, and I'll try to my best to accommodate you guys. This is a koersboom, a fever tree. Turned out pretty cool, except for the fact that most of the branching is on one side. So I pulled it down to get the canopy formed on the other side as well. Like a close-up of the trunk there. Nice green stuff, and you all probably know why it's called a koersboom or fever tree. Yeah, let me know if you don't know. This last tree we're going to have a look at is pretty special to me. The person I bought it from said that they planted it from seed in 2005. That means this tree is turning 20 years old this year. And I am very satisfied with the progress that I've made with this tree from where I received it to where we are today. This thing looks so much better in person. Looking at the camera footage, it's cool, but in person it's just next level cool. The flaky bark, I've got some nice character there at the bottom, and then just have a look at the ramification from below. And again, nice flaky bark. The leaves are cool, and the canopy is starting to fill up now. Anyways, that's all for today. Enjoy your day, guys.